Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can delete a system language that you no longer use on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on General. Next, scroll down and then tap on Language and Region. In here, at the top section, simply swipe across on the language that you don't use. So here I'm going to swipe left and then tap on Delete, and then go down and tap on Continued, and that will allow you to delete a language on the iPhone 15 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.